In here, to order the decimal, you have to be able to notice which decimal that is smaller, which one is bigger. So in here, there are already 3 examples of decimal. There are 8.56, 7.4, 8.5, 8.518. So in here, to check, you can compare the in the one's unit. So this is the first one is 8, 7, and 8. So from here, we can see which one is bigger or which one is smaller one. In here, we can see that the 7.4 in here will be the smallest one, because the digit that is in a one place is only 7, but the others is 8. So in other yeah, so it means later if we have to order it from the smallest one, the 7.4 will go first, because this is the number is smaller. After that, we check the number with the when the one's unit is 8, there is 8.56 and 8.518. In here, you can compare the digit in the 10 unit. So maybe this is the very, if we have a decimal, maybe you forget the order for a number. This is too light. Sorry. Yeah, so we will have the tens. After that, we have the one, we have the hundred, we have the thousand, and so on. When it is the decimal, the first one, it will be 10 with th. It will be the tenth. After the 10, it will be, oh wait, my pen. Yeah, it will be the tenth. After that, it will be hundred place, hundred. After that, it will be 1,000, and so on. So now we can check the 10 place. The 10 place between 8.56 and 8.518, it will be the same. The 10 place is number 5. After that, we can check the 100 place. The 100 in the 8.56 is number 6, while in the 8.518 is number 1. So it means the one that having number 1 will be the smaller one. So the 8.518, it will be smaller than 8.56. So that's why when we have to order from the smallest to the largest one, the order it will be 7.4 first. After that, it will be 8.518, and then the last one, it will be 8.56. Is there anyone who get confused so far, or maybe I talk too fast or anything? To order the decimal, is there anyone who get confused? No? Okay. If you have no difficulties, let us move to the other things. If later we have decimal numbers, but it is given in like different measurement or different unit, like maybe later you will have like only 1 kg, 100 grams, and then after that maybe 1 ton, something like that. You have to make all of the units same, so later you can compare which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Because if the measurement are not equal, you cannot compare, you cannot differentiate which one is smaller, which one is bigger. So this is some symbol. Later you will have this symbol means equals to which one. Yeah, if you use the stairs, yeah, usually you will use the stairs when you are in the primary. Most of you maybe will learning about the stairs, like kg, after kg, and then hectogram, decagram, and so on. Usually, yeah, you will have the stairs like this. If you already get used to with the stairs, you are able to memorize all of the unit on the stairs. It will be easy. So yeah, in here, this is the most common unit that we are going to use on Cambridge checkpoint. So we will have 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meter, 1 kg is equals to 1,000 gram, 1 ton is equals to 1,000 kilogram, and then 1 liter is equals to 1,000 millimeter. Something like that. Is there anyone having any questions so far? Am I going too fast or anything? No? No question? Okay. If you have no question, I will move to the next thing. In here, we have some work example. Write this decimal in order of size. So we already have some numbers. The first thing you have to do, we can compare the placed in the ones unit, because we have to order it from the smallest one. So the 0.96, it will be the smallest one, because the digit on the one place is 0, but the other things, they are in the number 5. When all the ones unit is already equal, you can compare the digit on the 10th place. So on the 10th place, the both of them, oh sorry, the three of them are the same. They are having 6 on the 10th unit. So after that, you go to the 100th place. For the 100th place, for the 5.82, this is number 8. And then for the second number, it is number 1. For the last digit, it will be number, how many is it? Yeah, it's covered, sorry. It will be number 8. So now we will understand that the 5.61 is the smallest one. After that, we check the for the 5.682, for 5.682, 682, it will be for the, aduh, wait, sorry. Please do not text anything to the chat box that is not related to the class, yeah. Who is it? Changi, do not text anything that is not related to the class.
I think it's Changi.
Yeah, it's written as Changi.
Yeah, but then he exit, right?
Oh, he exit.
Yeah, it's not Changi. It's the one who's
Yeah.
been messing it.
Yeah, it's the one who already messing around with us. Okay. I thought it was Changi, so I already locked the room. I thought it was a Changi, because he is using your friend's name. Then I cannot recognize which one is real Changi, which one is fake Changi. Okay.
Yeah, you're in an imposter.
Yeah, okay then. In here we have 5.682, and then the other number, it is only 5.68. If there is in here the 1,000 place on 5.682 is number 2. But for the other number, if there is no any number, it means we can put another 0 on it. So later we can compare for the 1,000 place. For the 5.68, it will be 0. But for the 5.682, it will be 2. That's why the order, it will be 0.95. After that, it will be 5.61, and then 5.68. And then the last one, it will be 5.682. Is there anyone who get confused so far, or maybe do not understand with the explanation or anything? Okay, if you have no confusion, now we are going to check. There are two units in here, 7.5 meter and 75 centimeter. The units are different, so we need to make all the units same first. So you can make them either into meters or into centimeter. Which one that is more comfortable with you, you can pick. So in here, I will just change 1 meter, the meter into centimeter, because we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So for the 7.5 meter, it will be equals to, wait, Benjamin, are you here? Oh, wait.
One is fake. The other one is fake. I'm turning on my camera, teacher.
Oh, okay. The other one is fake. Wait. Oh my
Just kick
God.
me out.
Yeah, wait.
Teacher, I already translate this drawing.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
is
I
like
read it.
some shell.
Yeah, I read it, but yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you. But I don't want to discuss about him. Yeah, now, okay. I will just expel the fake Benjamin, because I don't want to see any bad words on my class or anything. It's so annoying for me. I'm not okay to see a lot of bad words. Okay, so
Is it happening in other classes too?
yeah,
Like in
yeah.
the class, but
Yeah, so I think like there is a student who already, I don't know who is he, but he only 5 centimeter. So because the unit are not the same, we have to make the unit same first. So in here we can I will change the meter into centimeter, because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. It will be easier if I change 1 meter into centimeter rather than I change the centimeter into meter. It's also okay, but it's just easier to see the whole number, so I'll just change it into a centimeter. It will be 750 centimeter, while it is the 75 centimeter, it will be 75 centimeter. Now we have to put equal or not equal sign, because we know 750 will not be equals with 75. We write it as is not equals to. For the question C, we have 4.5 kg and also 450 gram. So this is, we can change the 4.5 kg. It will be equals to, is James in our class? No, right? James is not in this class yet. No.
I think he is in the wrong class.
Yeah, okay then. So the 4.5 kg in here, we can change it into gram. We multiply it by 100. So we will have we multiply it by 1000. So we'll have 4,500 grams. We compare it with 450 grams. And then because the 4,500 is bigger than 450, so we put a sign bigger than. Is there anyone having any questions so far, or maybe my explanation is confusing? Is there anyone who get confused so far? No? Okay. If you have no confusion, you can try the exercise 3.1 on your textbook. You want to try to do it first, or you want to, is it okay for me to directly discuss it? Right. Nicholas, you are still here, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still here. What?
Okay, because before someone, there is a person named Nicholas is like waiting in the lobby. Yeah. Okay, if you want to try to do it first.
Everyone with every name trying to go inside.
Yeah, that's why so later if I suddenly call your name, please just unmute yourself and tell me if you are still there, because now there are so many people, like so many same name that is trying to join our class. So yeah, just need to make sure if it is you or not.
Now it's all of us.
I don't know. Maybe he knows the your name list or something like that. I don't know also. Now for the question 1, write this decimals number in order of size. We have to write it from the smallest one. From the smallest one. So which one is the smallest one in the question 1A? Which one is the smallest one? Is it the 5.49? Or is it 2.02 or 6? Or is it 7.99? Or is
Small
it,
one. The
It's
small
2.0.
yeah, 2.
2.06.
Yeah, it will be 2.06. After that, what number?
Um, 5.49
Yeah, 5.49.
Yeah. And
and
then
then
5,
21.
5
and
point.
then last is
Okay.
0.99.
Okay. Is there anyone who get confused to order the decimals in here?
No,
No?
teacher.
Okay. Now for the B, which one is the smallest one? 2.87 or 2.55? Which one?
2.55.
Yeah, 2.55. Correct. After 2.55, what number it will be?
2.87.
Okay, 2.87. After that,
3.09.
yeah, 3.09. After that,
3.11.
7. Okay, good job. Now let me talk to who ya? Let me talk to Alvin. Can you tell me what is the answer in the question C? Alvin? Okay.
11.2.
Question C, right?
Yeah, question C. Now, yes, Alvin, question C.
11,
Point.
11.82,
After that.
11.88,
After that.
12.01,
12.01. So the last one is 12.1.
1.
Thank you. Now let me talk to Kenneth Messi. Can you try the question D? Kenneth Messi, are you still there? Kenneth Messi. Hello? Kenneth Messi, are you still there? No?
Directly unmute.
Okay. Can you help me, Kenneth Messi, in the question 1D? How many it will be? Kenneth Messi. No.
Wait, teacher.
Oh, okay then. I thought you are gone or something. You go somewhere. And which one is the smallest one? Which one is the smallest one? You can compare the ones unit first.
No,
This is
D.
D.
1D, right?
Yes, 1D. Which one is the smallest one?
8.9.
8.9. After that,
9.4.
is it? You after you focus
Oh, no, no, no.
Which one?
9.09.
Okay, 9.09. After that,
9.4. 9.3.
Okay, thank you. So you have no difficulties, right? Yeah, no difficulties, yeah. Later do not say, teacher, I don't know anything at the chapter wise test, lo, yeah. At least now you know how to order the decimal. Let me talk to Huya now. I want to hear someone who are not turning on the camera. Okay, who go be back soon. Nara, can you help me at the question 1E? Nara, are you still there?
Yes.
Yeah, can you help me to answer the question 1E? Which one is the smallest one?
Wait, teacher, thinking.
Oh, okay.
23.592.
592. Oopsie, 592. After that, how many? 23.659.
23.659.
659. After that,
23.661.
okay, 661. And then the last one, 23 point.
665.
Okay. Is there anyone who get confused? Or maybe we go too fast or anything? Is there anyone who get confused? No? Okay, if no one have no confusion, Vincent, can you help me at the question 1F? Vincent, can you help me?
Sir.
Yes, can you help me to answer the question 1F?
Teacher, can I answer?
Wait, just let me wait for the Vincent first for a while. I want to talk to those who are not turning on the camera first. Vincent, can you help me?
0.009.
Okay,
Then
0.009.
0.081.
Okay, 0.
Then 0.102. Then 0.107.
Okay, thank you. Is there anyone who get confused? Is there anyone who get confused? No? Okay. Okay, now anyone wants to answer at the question 1G? Anyone want to try to answer? Which one is the smallest one among these four numbers? Anyone?
6.17.
6.17. Okay, after that,
And then 6178, the second one.
6. Okay, 178. And then,
And then the third one, 671.
671. And then the last one, 6.
725.
Okay, good job. For the question H, anyone want to try to answer? Anyone at the question H?
11.02.
Yeah, 11.02. After that,
11.032.
032. After that,
11.1.
mm-hmm.
11.302.
Okay, is there anyone who get confused so far? Is there anyone who get confused so far, or maybe I go too fast? Okay, can I move to the next slide?
Wait, teacher, I still
Yes.
need to check first.
Okay then. Let me know if you already done checking your answer or copy the answer so we can move to the next question. Oh, why 1102? Okay, someone get confused. Wait, let me try to answer in here. Why 1102 and 1102 and 11.1. The 11.1 is bigger. Now you have to check based on the place value. Based on the place value. So, oh wait. Hello, am I connected to you now or I'm gone? Hello, am I connected to you still? Am I connected to you? Hello? Hello? Hello, am I connected to you? Mosok Rizky sik sing nyambung ning HP ku, kampret kok. Hello, am I connected to you? Hello? 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 Am I connected to you? Hello? Hello? Am I connected to you already? Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Oh, okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, but it's still a bit laggy.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oops, sorry. Okay, then.
Why is Kenneth on?
Yeah, wait. Sorry. Yeah, wait, let me upload the slides again. Okay. So someone was asking me before I lost my connection, someone was asking me about 11.02 and also 11.1, which one is bigger or which one is smaller. So in here we have 11.02 and 11.1. In here we can check based on the place value. So in here, this is the one that have no decimal place. They are already same 11. So after that, we need to check the digit after decimal place. This is 0. This is 1. So which one is bigger? Of course, the one that is having number 1. So the 11.1 will be bigger than 11.02. Am I still audible or am I not connected to you still?
We can hear you, teacher.
Okay then. Okay then.
I can hear you. I'm also student.
Is there anyone who get confused still, or is it already clear for those who asked me about 11.02 and also 11.1? Do you still get confused, or is it already clear enough? Clear? So the first thing you have to do, you have to check the place value first. So you compare after the decimal, you check this is 0 and then the other one 1. So even though this is having 2 digits, this is only 1 digit. The number 1 is bigger because this is the tan in the tan place is number 1. But at 11.02, the tan place is 0. That's why 11.1 is bigger. Okay, if no one have no confusion, I will move to the next question. In here at the question 2, same we have to find the order of ordering this number, but as we see all the units are not the same. So the first thing we need to do is making all the units same first. So like this is in kg, gram. Now for the question 2a, you want the unit in the gram or kg? I will follow you. Which one that you want to pick? Change the unit into kg or change the unit into gram? Hello? Which one? Which one you will pick? Change the unit into kg or into gram?
Uh,
KG.
I think grams.
Okay, we can change into grams. Okay. So we know 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So later for those number who are having a kg unit, we can multiply it by 1000. So for 2.3 kg, it will be 2300 gram. Is there anyone who get confused if I write like this? I mean, like I changed all the unit, make all the units same first. I haven't ordered it yet. So is there anyone who get confused from 2.3 kg? Now it's changed into 2300 gram. Is there anyone who get confused? No? Okay. If no, in here for the 780 grams, it will be stay still as gram. For 2.18, we multiply it by 1000. So it will be 2180 gram. While the 1950, it will be stay at it is because the unit is already in gram. So now we have to order it start from the smallest. If start from the smallest, yeah, we take the among this number, we pick which one is the smallest one. So the one that is smallest is 780 grams. So we write it start from the 780. So the answer it will be 780. After 780, what unit do I have to write? Which one? Which measurement do I have to write? Is it 2.3 kg or is it 2.18 kg or is it 190 gram? Which one? Which one do I have to write after 780 gram? Or am I not connected to you still? Hello?
Can hear you. It's
Oh,
just
okay.
like processing.
Oh, processing. Okay then. Okay.
1950 gram.
Yeah, we take the 1950 gram. So when we already change all the units same, you just need to focus on this one, the things that you already make the unit same. You can check which one is the smallest, which one is the largest. You can write it down. So now what number do we have to write? Yeah, we write the 2180 gram, but we change the 2180 gram into the original number. The original number is 2.18 kg. So I write it become 2.18 kg because I need to follow the question. The question, the number is given in the kilogram, so I change it into kilogram again. So the biggest one, it will be 2.3 kg. Is there anyone who get confused or maybe my explanation is not clear enough or anything? Is there anyone who get confused? No confusion? For sure?
No, teacher, no confusion.
Okay then, if you have no confusion, let us move to the question B. 5.4 centimeter, 12 millimeter, 0.8 centimeter, 9 millimeter. Now it will be easier if we change the 1 centimeter into millimeter. Anyone knows 1 centimeter will be equals to how many? Hello? Can you hear me?
10 millimeter.
Yeah,
10
it will
millimeter.
be equals to 10
Wait,
millimeter.
it's gone.
Oh, okay then. Is it, how about now? Is it audible or not?
What, teacher?
Is
Oh,
my
yeah.
voice audible? Or is it my voice still laggy or anything?
It had always been audible since the first time already.
Okay then. Okay.
Getting strong.
Okay. Now for the question B, we will change everything into millimeter. So for the 5.4 centimeter, we multiplied by 10, it will be 54 millimeter. The 12 millimeter, it will be stay, it is as 12 millimeter. 0.8 times 10, it will be equals to 8 millimeter. The 9 millimeter, it will be staying as a 9 millimeter. So now what is the answer if we order it from the smallest one? Which one do we have to write first? Which one? Which one among these four numbers? Which one do we have to which one do I have to write first? Is it 5.4 centimeter, 12 millimeter?
Centimeter, 9 millimeter, 12
Okay, so
millimeter, and
0.8 centimeter. after that a 9 millimeter, after that 12 millimeter, and then the last one is 5.4 centimeter. Is there anyone who get confused, or am I going too fast? Is there anyone who have any confusion? No? Okay, we only have like 1 minute left. I don't think it will be enough to discuss the next number. So I think for the homework, just try to finish all the numbers in the question 2 and in the exercise 3.2. So tomorrow we can directly discuss the answer. Okay, I think that's all for today's class. Good morning and thank you, students.
Teacher.